What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? For just 1 second? No warning, no countdown, no global alert. One moment, everything is normal. The next, the planet freezes in place. Right now, Earth is constantly rotating beneath us. At the equator, the surface of the planet moves at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. We don't feel this motion because everything moves together: the ground, the oceans, the atmosphere, and our bodies. To us, it feels like stillness. But that motion is one of the most important forces shaping life on Earth. It creates the cycle of day and night. It drives global wind systems and ocean currents. It helps regulate climate and temperature across the planet. It even slightly counteracts gravity at the equator, making Earth's shape and balance possible. Without rotation, Earth would not be the world we know. So imagine that motion suddenly stops. Instantly, the planet itself freezes, but physics does not. Because of inertia, everything on the surface continues moving at its original speed. People, buildings, cars, oceans, the air itself, all racing eastward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. In the very first milliseconds, the atmosphere becomes the most destructive force on the planet. Supersonic winds explode across the surface. Not like hurricanes, not like tornadoes. These winds move faster than sound, creating shockwaves that tear through cities before the human brain can even register danger. Skyscrapers bend and collapse. Concrete shatters. Steel twists. Aircraft are violently ripped from the sky. Anything not anchored deep into the planet is instantly swept away. In many places, the ground itself is stripped clean. Then the oceans respond. Earth's rotation causes water to bulge slightly outward at the equator. This bulge holds trillions of tons of water in place. When rotation stops, that balance disappears. The oceans surge toward the poles. Not slowly, not gradually. They move with unstoppable force. Mega-tsunamis rise higher than mountains. Entire coastlines vanish in seconds. Islands are erased from maps. Near the equator, vast regions are left nearly dry, while polar areas are buried beneath unimaginable floods. Nothing can stop this movement. Not continents, not mountain ranges, not time. And the air still hasn't stopped. The atmosphere continues racing forward, dragging heat, moisture, and pressure with it. Planet-wide shockwaves tear through ecosystems. Forests are flattened. Soil is ripped from the surface. Entire biomes collapse in moments. Earth does not lose gravity, but gravity changes. Because centrifugal force disappears, people at the equator suddenly weigh slightly more. It's subtle, but it's another sign that the planet has entered a new physical state. The shape of Earth itself begins to shift. Over time, the planet would slowly become more spherical. But even in that single second, stress builds deep within Earth's crust. Earthquakes would ripple across the globe. Fault lines would activate simultaneously. Volcanic systems would destabilize. Above the surface, technology begins to fail. Satellites rely on precise motion and balance. A sudden disruption to Earth's rotation throws that balance into chaos. Some satellites lose alignment. Others begin to decay from orbit. GPS systems fail. Communication networks collapse. Navigation becomes impossible. For 1 second, modern civilization is blind. Power grids shut down. Data centers fail. Global coordination disappears. Then, after exactly 1 second, Earth begins spinning again. But the damage is already irreversible. The oceans do not return to their original positions. The atmosphere remains violently unstable. Weather systems are completely rewritten. Superstorms form where none existed before. Deserts appear in once fertile regions. Ice begins forming in places that were once warm. Earth's climate enters chaos. Food chains collapse. Mass extinctions begin, not just among animals, but plants and microorganisms as well. Human civilization, built on stability and predictability, struggles to survive. Supply chains are destroyed. Cities are uninhabitable. Governments collapse under pressure. Only a few places might avoid total destruction. Deep underground shelters, isolated polar regions, or people far above Earth's surface. For everyone else, the world is no longer recognizable. All of this, from just 1 second. Earth never stops spinning. And now you understand why. Because sometimes, 1 second is enough to change an entire planet.